Quacky the Duckling's Big Adventure. The lost feather Quacky, the little duckling, is playing by the pond when he notices one of his feathers floating away. Determined to catch it, he waddles after it, quacking excitedly.
One little feather flew away. Quacky chased it without delay. Splash and run through the trees. Quacky's feather danced with the breeze.
Meeting Mr. Frog as Quacky chases the feather, he bumps into Mr. Frog, who's sitting on a lily pad. Mr. Frog tries to help, but his tongue catches a fly instead of the feather.
Frog on the lily pad sat. I'll help you, Quacky, just like that. But instead of a feather, he caught a fly, and they both laughed as it flew by.
The windy hill Quacky chases the feather up a windy hill, but the breeze is too strong. The feather flies higher, and Quacky rolls down the hill, giggling.
Up the hill the wind did blow. Quacky followed, running slow. But the wind was strong, and off he went, rolling down with a giggle and a bent.
Flying feather surprise. Just when Quacky thinks he's lost the feather for good, it lands on his head. He's surprised but happy to have it back.
Flew and spun around, then softly landed on the ground. But what a surprise on Quacky's head! The feather sat like a crown instead.
Happy dance. Quacky does a happy dance with the feather in his wing, celebrating his little adventure and newfound friend, Mr. Frog.
He danced with feather in wing. What a funny and happy thing. With Mr. Frog they quacked and leaped as the sun began to sleep. One little feather flew away. Quacky chased it without delay. Splash and run through the trees. Quacky's feather danced with the breeze. Mr. Frog on the lily pad sat. I'll help you, Quacky, just like that. But instead of a feather, he caught a fly, and they both laughed as it flew by. Up the hill the wind did blow. Quacky followed, running slow. But the wind was strong, and off he went, rolling down with a giggle and a bent. The feather flew and spun around, then softly landed on the ground. But what a surprise on Quacky's head! The feather sat like a